Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 8th, 2022. While every stock is pretty much going down, I'm going to show you all that Chargepoint is still a buy just by looking at the price chart. Now, before I get started into this information, if today's your first time seeing my video and you appreciate my price predictions, give me all a heads up as to where I'm seeing price go, then join the team. Yeah, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you want to join the team. Yeah, we're one of the ones that's going to give you all the edge as to where we're trying to go in terms of price, and not just only in one stock. No, as long as we understand language analysis, we are able to take our information, our knowledge, and display it elsewhere. If there's no place here in Chargepoint, then guess what? Opportunities are elsewhere. We just need to go find them. Check this out. I'm going to give you all my price targets into the market at Chargepoint as well. Considering my last video, which was on February the 16th, you guys can tell that I was playing the bullishness into this stock. I'm looking for Chargepoint to go up. Now, this is probably one of the only markets that is looking bullish, right? Fuel cell is looking pretty good right now as well. These stocks, while everything else is continuing to show its weakness, is continuing to trend lower. These two stocks are literally still trying to go up in price. Now, I did a video right here. Okay, now you guys can see from out the gate, price did come down. My only issue that I should have adjusted was the support area, right? The market ultimately came all the way down here to our horizontal line. So I really wasn't worried when the market in Chargepoint came all the way down to $12 on the 24th of February, because I knew we still had this low right here back in September 2020. So even though the market confirmed that, price has been on a rip since then. Okay, so given that that's the case, I wanted to quickly show you all the 2-day time frame here in Chargepoint. And one thing that is very concerning is that we're noticing volume increase, right? The last two-day price bars, volume has increased, right? Now, basically, with all of this high volume, we're still noticing that the price bars are closing higher than the previous 2 days, right? So what it means is that the buyers are outbidding, or they're definitely controlling and dominating those who are trying to sell. Because if the market truly was weak, the buyers would not be able to hold all of the selling that was going on. But so far, they've been successful, right? So now let's look at this on the 3-day. And you guys can still see that the last 2-3-day price bars, yeah, Chargepoint has gone down, but the buyers were able to continually close price higher. Now, look at this. The market is getting hung up right here. Okay. That's an issue. If we're trying to see the price in Chargepoint continue to go up, this is an issue. We need to see it break $16.50. We have to. If we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Chargepoint, we have to see that happen. Now, the way that I would tell you that we're going to break $16.50 to the upside is, let's say that we do get some selling, right? And price starts to come down. As long as the price in Chargepoint does not break $14 to the downside, then the play is still on the table for us to go up, right? So let's say price comes down, but the buyers come in and hold price at 14, then the play is still on for us to come back up, break that 16.50 to the upside, then come up here towards 18. I already know what to expect. You should too. Because this high volume that I've noticed over the last couple of trading days is letting me know that, yeah, we can still see price in Chargepoint come down, but that's not a bad thing as long as the buyers come in around 14. We need to see them appear around 14 because it tells us that they're still ready and willing to deploy their money into the market to continue to lift up Chargepoint's price. That's it. So as of this particular moment, that is my price target. It's $18 because I am still predicting that price, even if we were to see price come down, that the buyers are going to hold 14. Now, let's say that they don't hold 14. Then you already know that we need to cut that price target of seeing the market hit $18. Yeah, we need to cut that and don't expect it to happen. So let me see what else we got. This is Chargepoint on the 3-weekly time frame, right? Following this 3-weekly price bar, okay, I'm gonna keep it a buck. The market should have gone down following this 3-weekly price bar. Here we are going into three 3-weekly price bars. 2 of them have been completed and the market still hasn't gone down, and the volume is heavier. Like, we saw more volume on that last completed 3-weekly price bar. I'm here to tell you right now, this is where the buyers are buying. All of this high volume on this very small spread tells you that the market is buying. That is why price is going up right now. It's simple. It's not hard. It's not complicated. But everyone else wants you to read fundamental analysis. They want you to listen in on earning calls. These market is already speaking. Like, they've already done the research. Whoever came in and created all this volume, best believe they've done their research. So why are you going to do it? We just need to research the market, the price chart, to see exactly what's going on. And right now, they're buying. So yeah, I'm still going to continue to keep my price target the same of $18. We will definitely have to reevaluate the market though in Chargepoint at $18, because you can see it here on the 3-weekly time frame that this is restriction, right? So when price approaches this level, we should not be surprised if it comes down and say, okay, why is Chargepoint going down? I'm already identified in that area. And let's say it does break 18, then the next level is going to be up here, $19.50 to $20. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue to rock with what we got. Okay, we're going to continue to play the strength here into the market at Chargepoint. Changes does not need to occur. The only change that we'll do in Chargepoint is if we see price break $14 to the downside. That's it. So everything else is still copacetic. Everything else is still going according to plan. We don't need to change anything just yet. Still looking for the price in Chargepoint to go up. Now, hopefully you all understood what I was dropping on the price chart, because this is a language. Money is a language. You ever heard of the mantra money talks? Yeah, it does. And the language is right here, these price bars and volume. This is where everyone comes in and converse and speak and show you what they're trying to do with their own pockets. You just got to pay attention to it. All right, I'm done. If you think anything changed though, right, now it's the opportunity, because like I said, this is a team. And I just don't want to be the only one dropping price predictions and price targets. I want you all to learn how to do this for yourself. So now, try it. Let me know. What do you suspect the price in Chargepoint is going to do next? Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.